How to add friends on WeChat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add friends on WeChat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are a lot of ways you can add a friend in WeChat. For example, if you open up your WeChat, you will see an option that says plus on the top right corner. Or if you don't have anything on your chat section, you'll directly get invite friends to register. So tap on the plus icon on the top right, and right there you'll see add contacts option. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you will see different options right here. Now you can search for account or mobile number directly here. So type in a mobile number or account so that you can add them directly. The other way is by simply scanning a friend's QR code. Tap on this option and then scan the QR code. The other is you can simply import people from your contacts. You can tap on mobile contacts and sync your contact details to your WeChat, and then you can find your friends there. The other is by using the radar option, where you can find nearby people to add. Other than that, you will see invite friends option as well, where you can send invitations to your friends from emails and from different stuff like WhatsApp and messages. The other way is by tapping on vcom contacts. You can do that as well, and other is you can join private groups or you can just get official accounts. And those are the ways you can add a friend in WeChat, guys. And that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.